Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous. This is actually my daughter's closet, and actually I think this was my first vlog organizing and cleaning out this closet. Well, guess what? We're gonna do this again. We're gonna declutter and then we're gonna start packing because we're gonna be moving, as you guys know, and there's just so much stuff here. Well, some of the stuff is already like in its package, but I still want to go through some things that I didn't use, or the girls' clothes and the girls' shoes and stuff like that. So we're gonna get started on this closet that I'm not really looking forward, but I need to crush it. I need to do this and get it done because time does not wait, girl. It does not wait. So this is how the closet is looking right now. I have not touched anything. So this is, I guess, the before. So as you can see, there's like pretty much stuff already in our package, but I still want to go through that because I really don't know what's in there. But yeah, this is pretty much the closet. This is like the Christmas tree. And then you go around here, and then I have, well, this was supposed to be the storage for my equipment, but I never put it back. And then I have to go through these shoes, and my daughter's no longer wear anymore or use or fit. And it's just a lot of things that I need to go through. I don't even know where to start, you guys. And I have all my candles that are up there. I have like miscellaneous-ish stuff. Like, I kind of know what's in here. There's like my nails stuff that I really don't do anymore. I used to when I didn't have kids. I used to like take my time and do my nails, but now I really don't have time for that. I don't have time for them to get them dry, you know what I mean? And then I have some makeup here that I need to go through, and then like my daughter's stuff, and then right here just towels down here, and like blankets and stuff, but that's not really much to do. I'm sure that's pretty quick to pack. But yeah, so we're gonna tackle this closet, and hopefully it'll look better the next time you guys see this. It's so crazy. Every year I say to myself, I want to buy some candles like spring and summer, and I never do. It's just like, and I always get like these coupons, right? Like buy one and it's like $10 or whatever. You know, they always have like these sales at Bath and Body Works. And I never go really on the summer or spring. And it kills me because I always get the freaking fall candles, which they smell amazing anyway. But I always do that, and every time I'm like, oh yeah, I need to finally go, and then I get these emails from Bath and Body Works, and it's like their fall scents are already coming out. It's just, I'm so bummed out that I didn't get a chance to get my summer or spring candles, but hopefully next year for sure. I found these slippers. These are the first little gift I gave to my husband when I found out I was pregnant for the very first time. And they're so cute. They're still in its packaging and everything. And I even put the date on it. It was August 9, 2012. And it says, "Hi Daddy, I can't wait for you to put on my slippers and to meet you and Mom." Isn't that cute? She did wear them once or twice. They're so cute. I want to keep them forever and ever until she grows, and maybe she can continue the little tradition or whatever. She can do whatever she wants with them. It's cute to have little memories like that and to keep them. And oh my God, it's so precious. When my baby was in my belly, hello Bean, and now she's 6 years old. All right. Keep on rolling. So I had these two boxes full with blankets and stuff that I didn't use. So I'm just gonna donate them. These are going in the garbage because, yeah, for some reason it looks like it has chlorine stains, which I never put chlorine or Clorox on colors, so I don't know what happened there. And these are this is my onesie, and then this is like the rest of my blankets, like throw blankets. And then my mom made me this scarf. I can't let it go. And then, oh my gosh, I was looking for this when I had Everly. Oh my Lanta. This is like little kangaroos. And then I have this blanket because I want to do a shadow box for my girls when they were born. That I've been having those frames for a while and I haven't done that project yet. So I want to cut a little piece of this and just put it on the shadow box that I probably do a video on as well. And then these are just like extra blankets that they were Natalie's. And I believe this one, my sister, my oldest sister gave it to my daughter, so I'm still keeping that. So yeah, I eliminated one box for the blankets. Woohoo! Alright, so it looks like we're making some progress here. I took out all the candles down from the shelf that I had there. I got rid of about maybe 3 of them that they were like this much. And I just put some tissue paper on them, so yeah. I think those are ready to go. So candles, check. I actually came across my Nintendo DS. Oh my gosh, I remember I wanted one so bad. I can't believe I still have that. I totally forgot about this. I think my daughter's probably gonna be the one playing it now. I have Strawberry Shortcake, Pokemon, Brain Age, and I think I have like a dog game as well. Oh my gosh. Right here. I can take it on. Oh no, this is Super Mario. Oh. Okay. So I just need to declutter this and then we're all set for the top part. And that way I could just go ahead and just start putting them in boxes. What to the world over there, ma'am? So far I kind of marked Dona, that means donation. So this is donation, and that's a donation. This is a donation as well. These are the half of the shoes I just sorted out, and this was gonna be donation, but I think we're gonna sell our couch. These pillows came with the couch, and I completely forgot about that, so that's why I crossed the Dona off. And then this is the shoe that I'm saving for Everly. And then on the back here is some stuff already packed. And this is all like the swimming stuff, the diapers that I had for Natalie that she didn't end up using. So I'm saving those for Everly. A little lifesaver for her. And right here, some more boxes that I already packed up. So yeah, it's coming along, you guys. It's coming along. I just came across these pregnancy tests. I took 4 of them with, I got pregnant with Everly. So I took one every day for 4 days. Just to make sure, I guess I was pregnant. So they were all like strongly positive. Like as you see them, like the pink bright lines, both of them. That's how they came out, all of them. This is the current status for the closet. So pretty much everything is packed over here and over here. Don't mind that dirty laundry I need to wash. So I pretty much emptied all the racks except that big bag. I'm probably gonna take it down and put it down here. But yeah, pretty much everything is empty in each rack except those perfume little envelopes, and except for this area, because I'm still thinking of putting some things in these backpacks, and then in that basket as well. But yeah, pretty much is emptied out except the clothes, of course. I'm just gonna put bags over them like the day before or something. Everything is pretty much in order as I planned. So I think that was pretty good on decluttering and organizing and taking out the stuff that I no longer needed or was using. I took out about maybe 5-6 bags to declutter to donate. Still thinking about doing a garage sale, but I'm not sure because I don't know where, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna donate the stuff. But yeah, I am pretty happy how it came out, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I did it within 2 days. So now I'm going to be doing the bathroom, which is not much. There's only 2 cabinets on the bottom and 1 middle drawer, and all of that can be packed in one box, so that's pretty simple to do. And then I also have my nail rack that I need to go through my nail polishes that are pretty darn over expired, because you can see like the oils and stuff. So I think I have a lot of them already that need to be thrown away, and I really don't have the time to do my nails, so that's why I have to go get them done, because I don't have the time for them to get dry, you know what I mean? Like I used to love doing my nails, but after I had kids I can't, because I don't want to touch anything, and then sometimes I have to change my baby's diaper, and then it's crazy mess. So I think I'm gonna have to get rid of that nail rack once and for all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna include the bathroom stuff in this video with the declutter, girls closet declutter and bathroom, and then I'm gonna do the girls room in a separate video. So that's gonna be a whole nother video after this one. So I emptied out this cabinet, sorta. This is the stuff that I'm gonna use actually before we kind of leave, because I'm gonna obviously clean the apartment before we leave. So I'm gonna need this stuff to clean, and then we're gonna need this to cover up some holes in the wall. And I'm keeping this ruler so we can. I thought it was perfect to cover the holes in the wall, because you can just smooth it out with this. And I need the baby's little diaper bag contained for my diaper container that I have right here. I need this stuff to clean the bathroom. I almost forgot. And then on this one, I left it empty, and I gotta put this thing back in the shower head before we leave. Also, I emptied out the mirror cabinet. I met my goal on finishing the closet and the bathroom, and this back here I'm actually going to obviously take it down. Most of my nail polish are probably gonna go in the garbage, because some of them I can see like they have oils and stuff coming through. Ew. Am I supposed to hold this thing? No. I'm so happy that I accomplished it before the week ended. It's Saturday. My goal was either today or tomorrow, Sunday, but my deadline was tomorrow, which is Sunday. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy about that I'm pretty much all set with my daughter's closet and their bathroom. Sorry I look a little dead, you guys. I am feeling a little tired and crazy. But yeah, so I just wanted to get this bathroom finished. So make sure you're subscribed and like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when I get a new video up. And I love you. Don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.